full cooperation with The Hague is a necessity, is a priority, is a thing that we're going to be investing all our efforts to achieve and to make sure that the cooperation with The Hague becomes a part of history very soon, and certainly this year. But what Serbia did today also is to invite the European Union to come to Serbia and to see firsthand what Serbia is doing in this regard. We are working very closely with the prosecutor, Mr. Brommertz. He's also doing this. He's working with us. He's making his regular reports to the international community when it comes to cooperation of Serbia with the Hague Tribunal, and he's doing a good job. He's been doing a great job so far, and we look forward to engage with him in the future as well. But I think what could come in addition to Brommertz's efforts is the European Union also coming and joining us and working together and making sure that there is a full cooperation, or verifying that there is a full cooperation. We have absolutely nothing to hide. So we basically invite everybody to come and join us in making an assessment of this maximum effort that we are investing in this regard.